Hello, welcome back. This is Dr. Liu at LeTime. Today I'll introduce you one Botanical emergency use infused oil. If you have scripts on the skin, minor cuts, or just irritation, unbalanced skin, or just hair, have some issue with the hair, scalp, this lavender infused oil can help you reduce, the bad feelings you have facing the problems, can reduce the time for recovery. So this video, I will show you how to make this lavender infused oil easy, very easy. Then you can keep it for your daily use. There are many different ways to extract herbs. Generally, there are two categories. One is the distillation. You can make essential oil and hydrosol. And the second is the infusion. You can try different solvents, most popular including the tincture that is using the alcohol. It's 40% or 50% the alcohol, or use oil to make infused oil. From the herb, there are two categories of the chemicals. One is volatile, that can be extracted by the distillation, that bring the scent of the herbs. Those groups of chemicals has very strong antimicrobial, anti-inflammation, antiseptic benefits. And the other group is non-volatile. So those chemicals will stay in the herb even after you heat up. So those groups, including the antioxidants, also have a very good anti-inflammation, a lot of benefits as well. So the difference is the volatile parts are normally used for the external use, but the non-volatile parts we can use for the internal as well as external. So in this video, I will show you to make lavender infused oil. That is, the oil will extract mostly the non-volatile parts. But within that part, we contain some very special antioxidants. Those can help, reduce the oxidation, the aging on our skin. And also it contains the phytosterols that help recover the skin. This brings the benefits of the infused oil on the skin recovery and minor cuts or scrape recovery. Irritation, there's so many benefits from that, and also extracts vitamin E that reduce the aging effects. So now let's just make the infused oil. By the way, we just published a blog talk about the difference of these all extraction methods and what can you make from the different extraction methods and how do you use them. So that's definitely a very good article. I highly recommend you to read it, and you can know, which way you choose for your specific need. So now let's start the infusion process by using the ADI. To make a lavender infused oil, so you're gonna use a glass jar. It's a mason jar. 8-ounce mason jar is perfect. And then just need 2 ingredients. One is the lavender. So use a dry lavender, and also try to find the organic. Culinary is better if you want to, have a chance you want to eat it. Then the culinary is the one you want to choose. Otherwise, organic is good. And then I use olive oil. Use extra virgin olive oil. There are a few the oils you can try when you make infusion, including the coconut oil, the MCT coconut oil, and you can also use the sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and the olive oil. It contains its own benefits, the vitamins. So that's why I choose this one. But somebody don't like the smell or scent of the olive oil, then you can choose the jojoba or coconut oil, the fraction of coconut oil. With the 8-ounce bottle, just add up to half of the bottle with the lavender It's about a half, and then pour the oil into the cup, just slowly. Just fill it up to the top, reduce the air inside the cup. Give a little time, let the oil sip into the lavender buds. So I'm using ADI to do the infusion today. And if you don't know ADI, it's advanced infuser and distiller all-in-one. So you can make your hydrosol, essential oil from the lavender, and also you can do the infusion. So when you do infusion, there are two options. One, just use this mason jar. It's like a small batch infusion making. So the benefits is if you don't have a lot of herbs, then just use the bottle, and you can make as little as in the ounce, 1 ounce. So just put in the pot and add water into the pot. You add water up to close to the lid. So the water will help keep the temperature stable inside the pot. Pretty simple, just put the pot back into the ADI, close it, and turn on and choose the infuse. And now, so I do like 5 hours. 5 hours generally is pretty good, but you can do up to 12 hours in a batch. If you not, you want longer, then you can repeat it. And just turn it on, that's it, and leave there and seal in the 5 hours. Now the infusion is over. It's still hot. Let's take the bottle out. So just use a press to separate the oil from the herb. Hey, thank you for watching. Share with me what is your favorite herb infused oil, what is the favorite herb, and what oil you like to use. And if you feel the video is helpful, please like it, share, subscribe to the channel, become a member. This is Dr. Leo. See you next time.